So, this is the 1926 detached, falling apart house that me and Liv have bought. Liv is just there, don't know if you can see it. But we have just spent all our money on this, and we've not got a big budget to do it up at all. This building was built in 1926. Some family bought the land off someone else, built the house, lived in it, and I think most of the family passed away. So now we've taken it on. So let me grab the camera and take you around the place. There's Liv. Liv! Woo! Well, here's the house. Here's all the land that comes with. It does have gates. We've got all this because that's going to become the drive because it's way too tight. But we've got this massive tree line here, bush line, tree line. We've got all this space. This space here is 10 metres by 8 metres, so that's a big old space. So that's going to be all one big drive. Don't worry, we're keeping all the bushes. It's going to be green. It's going to be all that fun stuff. But that's what we're doing next. This is just an introduction to this 1926 house that we bought. We are living in this, by the way. So woo! This is the gravel boards. Gravel boards? Yeah, gravel grids for when we do the drive. That's the gravel boards. This is a gate which doesn't open. It's stupid. Back part opens. It's got a thing in the floor to stop it from being opened, but it's got no hinges. We've got a massive wall going here. This was a gate, but that's falling apart. That is some under storage. Don't even know what's in there. We've not been in there yet. Not brave enough. But it's like under the stairs. That's a door which has no key. That is where the kitchen is currently, if I can film. So I've got the original stained glass windows, but they are all single glazed. This is an extension which, I've got all that newspaper. This is an extension which you can only enter from the back, which was weird. And the tap keeps running. I can't stop that. You know, I've got the spiders. I had to fix that because that was leaking, so I've got a new one, put that in. We've only been in it for a day, so we had to move. It was all a bit crazy and mad. But garage is there. Here's the extension. The plan is, well, I'll show you around and then I'll tell you the plan actually. So we've got this big garden. It's huge. Got some radiators down there which will be in the house soon. This big garden which is huge. Oh, butterfly. Got a shed full of crap in there. It's terrible in there. But look how far back this goes. None of it's usable. Like, it's all way overgrown. But so much space. We've got space there. It's incredible. And that's the house from the back. Looks amazing. So the plan at the back here will be single story extension, come out, render it like the rest of the house, sky lantern, all that stuff. We're going to keep the bay there, keep the window there. Everything's going to stay the same. We're just going to have single story extension and make a big open plan kitchen as everyone does. And then in the garden, we're going to have the garden pretty self-sufficient. We're going to have solar panels on the garage roof. We're going to have an outdoor cooking area here. I can't really explain it, but it'll look like a carport with cooking area bits. And then here we're going to have planters with veg. So we're going to grow veg, whatever, all that stuff. We're going to be as self-sufficient as possible. Well, let me show you in there what they've left us. Here is my gnome. Well, here's the garage anyway. Sorry. It's just full of crap really, but it's just concrete panels made to look like brick. So we might render that to match the rest of the house, not just paint it white. But have a look in this thing. Yeah. There you go. There is the shed with a hole in the roof. Oh, I don't even want to think about that, to be honest with you. Let's get it shut. There you go. Shut. Let's get around here and I'll show you inside the house. It's a bit windy though. Oh, this space here. Cars, bikes, whatever you want, you can have down there. Have a football match down there, basketball match. We're keeping this the same. We might put some things in the grooves to make it look nicer. And there is space down the side, so I might put a shed down there. There's my brew. Here's the door. And here's the house. It is a mess, by the way, because we had to move everything and we had one day. So here we are. Here's under here where the water and the electric meter is. Water is dripping out of the stopcock. Don't know how to fix that yet. What else? This front room, we've started getting rid of stuff out of here, but decent sized room. Nice stained glass windows. There's no central heating in this house. Everything's single glazed. Everything's panelled though, which is nice. This is the second living room. This will what will be the big kitchen, so we'll knock through there, extend out. Here will be a little utility with a shower in it. We'll have a shower in there. Utility. It'll be a nice little space. We're going to try and keep that fireplace. We'll try and keep it as original as we can, but make it usable, because you really think I want to be living in this. I've generally got headaches being in this place, but what can you do? We're not rich enough to have two places at once. But that's where that under the stairs bit is outside. There is no key for that. And then here is the kitchen. We've got the original clothes rail dryer. We've got no cooker, so everything's air fryer. Or we have a little stove that we've got to plug in, fridge, kettle. And this little utility room, which is half of the extension. It makes no sense to me. But anyway, it'll all go. And then upstairs, let's see if I can get upstairs. So, he's coming upstairs. Look how nice it is. All the panelling. You feel like you're in some king's manor. It's amazing. But look at that stained window there. That's the toilet. That's getting knocked through because it's stupid. So I'll show you where the bathroom is. The bathroom's here. Like, why is the bathroom here? It's nice and bright, but we're going to move the bathroom to the back. So where this room is, half of this will be given to there. We'll have a big kitchen lawn, big bathroom. Here, as you can see, there is loft space. Here we'll have open, everything open. We'll have stairs going up into the loft, and then we'll have another room up there, but that'll just be a bedroom, nothing fancy. We'll have a standard bathroom here. Downstairs we will have a toilet where that door is that doesn't open, and then we'll have a shower on the other side. So it'll be like 2 bathrooms, 4 bedrooms. Here is the master bedroom, which is decent size again. I mean, it's got a window there and there, so it's got to be semi-decent. This will just be standard bedroom. I'm going to try and insulate it all, make it all energy efficient, all that good stuff. Then here's where we live in, which is just bed, TV, got a little heater, and we just need to finish off really. But the plan is, if I can move this out of the way, there you go, let's lift it up, is to tackle that driveway. So I might not be able to film most of it because we are just cracking on and my phone's going off, so let us crack on with that driveway and then we'll come back once we've got a bit of video in. So thanks for watching, keep up with it so we can ignore my phone, and hopefully we do some good videos on it. Bye.